Good afternoon all. Welcome to the session. Okay, only few were entered the session. And what about rest? If audio is clear, shall we start the session now? Good afternoon all. Shall we start? Can you all hear me? Shall we start the session? Okay. Now, I'll display the question. Think over the answer. Display the number of the option. Okay? Okay. And look at the question right now. Hope everybody gone through the question. Okay, Tejashwini answered first. Okay, Tejashwini will get the mark. And after that, Priyanka answered, and even Kirti answered correctly. Now the mark will go to the Tejashwini. Very good responses. Not visible. Okay, I'll give some more time. Okay, for the first question, third option is the right answer. Tejashwini got the mark. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one. And for the second question, it is Kirti. May I know Tejashwini from which section? So Tejashwini got 1 mark. Kirti has got 1 mark. Okay, I am conducting the test in the school. I think here network is okay. But still, if you are not having the clearance, and it is not supported by the network. Okay, for first question, it is Tejashwini got 1 mark. And for second question, Kirti got 1 mark. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, we'll move on to the third question. All of you ready? Poor network I'm conducting in the school. Okay, we'll move on. We'll move on to the third question. Okay. Fourth option is the right answer. I think Arpita answered first. Manasa went wrong. Question paper at least. We'll go through the one question paper. Okay. After that, let me decide whether we want to continue or not. Okay, the score. Tejashwini 1, Kirti 1, Arpita 1. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, this time Priyanka answered first. Priyanka will get the mark. Third option is the right answer. Priyanka, Kirti, Revati, Arpita went wrong. Even Darshan under the name Darshan went wrong. And rest of the students answered correctly. So the score, Tejashwini 1, Kirti 1, Arpita 1 and Priyanka 1. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Kirti answered correctly. So Kirti will get mark. Fourth option is the right answer. Very good, Kirti. Priyanka, why you went wrong? Even Aishwarya went wrong. Fourth option is the right answer. So Kirti will get the mark for this question. The score, Tejashwini 1, Kirti 2, Arpita 1, Priyanka 1. Now this time Tejashwini answered first. So for this question Tejashwini will get the mark. Okay, the score goes like this. Tejashwini 2, Kirti 2, Arpita 1, Priyanka 1. Okay, we'll move on. This time Kirti answered first, so Kirti will get the mark. Okay, now I can't do anything. Okay, sorry, not Kirti, Varsha. Varsha answered first. Under name Gaurappa, is that Varsha? Let me clarify. Is that Varsha answered first before to Kirti? Yeah, all of you answered correctly. Third option is the right answer. But let me confirm who answered first. Is that Kirti or Varsha? Let me clarify. Who answered first? Varsha or Kirti? Okay, I already gave mark for Varsha. Okay, I just want to confirm. Okay, it's clear. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Yeah, okay, no problem. I gave mark for Varsha. Before I gave mark for Kirti, I just removed the mark from Kirti and I gave for Varsha. Okay, the score is Tejashwini 2, Kirti 2, Arpita 1, Priyanka 1, Varsha 1. Okay, and here only network is playing a major role. Okay, clear? We'll move on to the next one. Okay, for next question, I think Tejashwini answered first. Second option is the right answer. I think Tejashwini answered first. Varsha answer went wrong and rest of you all answered correctly. Okay, I think Tejashwini will get the mark this time. Clear? Okay, Now the score is Tejashwini 3, Kirti 2, Arpita 1, Priyanka 1, Varsha 1. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Okay, this time Priyanka answered first. So Priyanka will get the mark. First option is the right answer. So Priyanka's score is 2. Okay, Tejashwini 3, Kirti 2, Arpita 1 and Varsha 1. Yes, this time everyone answered correctly. Option 1 is potassium iodide is the right answer. Everybody answered correctly. Very good, all of you. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. This time Tejashwini answered first. So Tejashwini will get the mark. Arpita went wrong. Arpita, your answer is wrong. Fourth option, carbon is the right answer, as carbon combine with oxygen to form carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide remains neutral, whereas carbon dioxide become acidic. Okay. So fourth option, carbon is the right answer. Arpita went wrong and rest of you all answered perfectly. Very good answering. Okay. Tejashwini's score is 4. Kirti 2. Priyanka 2. Arpita 1. Varsha 1. Okay. We'll move on to the next one. Okay, no problem, Arpita. It happens in hurry burry. Sometimes it go mistake. Okay, no problem. This time also Tejashwini answered first before to Priyanka. Now by this, Tejashwini score is 5, Kirti 2, Priyanka 2, Arpita 1, Varsha 1. Okay? Very good Tejashwini. Tejashwini belong to C or D section? Tejashwini, you belong to which section, ma? Yeah, remaining all of you answered correctly. Tejashwini of which section? Okay, 10th D. Okay, fine. Okay, good Tejashwini. Okay, we'll move on. Again, it is Tejashwini answered first. Okay, third option is the right answer. That is methane and ethanoic acid is the right option, which shows both positive and negative boiling point and melting point. Okay, Kirti went wrong for the question. She gave second option. Okay, Kirti, no problem. Okay, third option is the right answer. Tejashwini score is 6. Kirti score is 2. Priyanka 2. Arpita 1. And Varsha 1. Okay, we'll move on to the next. Okay, this time Kirti answered first. Fourth option is the right answer. So Kirti answered first. And the score, Tejashwini 6, Kirti 3, Priyanka 2, Arpita 1, Varsha 1. Okay, shall we move on to the next paper? Okay, why Priyanka is getting doubt? Okay, they were answering very before the questions. Is that going on? Because when I share the screen, I doesn't know who will answer first. Okay, and if something happening like that, anyone answering before the question? Okay, I'll change the order. Shall we continue? Okay, Now I'm going to change the order of the questions. Yes, it is Kirti answered first. Arpita went wrong. Suguna went wrong. And all of you answering correctly. So remaining Aishwarya, Revati, Darshan, Nandita, everybody answered correctly. Only few went wrong. So now the score is Tejashwini 6, Kirti 4, Arpita 1, Priyanka 2, Varsha 1. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, Priyanka only answered correctly for this question. So Priyanka will get the mark. Okay. No one answered perfectly. It is second option is the right answer. Why you all went with the fourth? And why Priyanka again she gave fourth option? Repeat it. Everybody went for fourth option. Why? Why? The answer is second option is the right answer. And say, look at Priyanka. Why you gave two answers, Priyanka? First option is right. Second option is right. And even she got confused because everyone answering fourth option. Right? Yes, I know. I know because everyone answering fourth option and Priyanka she went with correct answer, second option, and she got confused. Why everyone answering fourth? She went for fourth option. So bad, Priyanka. Okay, no problem. Okay, stick on to the right answer, not for your friend's answer. Okay, now the score is Tejashwini 6, Kirti 4, Priyanka 3, Arpita 1, Varsha 1. Okay, now we'll move on to next one. This time Varsha answered first. Option 1 is the right answer. So Varsha answered correctly. Arpita went wrong. Even Nandita. Aishwarya also wrong. Darshan. Shubha. I think Varsha answered first, so I'll give mark for Varsha. If it is clarified, I'll give mark for Varsha. And before Gangotri, you look at my screen, okay? Kirti and Varsha were two who answered first option as the correct answer. Before to you, look at my screen, okay? Not in your screen, look at my screen. It is Varsha, then Kirti, and then Gangotri, right? Okay, what about Varsha is... What about Varsha? Is that for previous one? She answered for previous one. Yes, it's Varsha, not Gangotri in my screen. Always try to look the answer on my screen, not in your screen. Okay, it varies. Yeah, I gave mark for Varsha. Okay, the score is Tejashwini 6, Kirti 4, Priyanka 3, Varsha 3, Arpita 1. Okay? Okay. Gangotri got confused. You look at my screen. Okay? It is Varsha and then Kirti and your name will appear. Okay? Gangotri, is that clear? Okay, shall we move on? Okay, Gangotri, because I'll check before giving the mark, I'll check one or twice. If I got confused, I give chance for you to confirm who is answered first, okay? Okay, we'll move on. Now this time Tejashwini answered first. Third option is the right answer. And then Arpita, Kirti, Priyanka, Varsha, Suguna, Varalakshmi, Shubha, Darshan Nandita, Prashant, Aishwarya, Revati. Everybody answered correctly. This is so easy, right? Magnesium having 2 valency and the chlorine always combines with magnesium to form MgCl2, right? Everybody answered correctly for this question. No single wrong answer. Very good. Very good, all of you. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, this time also Tejashwini answered first. Now Tejashwini's score is 8, Kirti 4, Priyanka 3, Varsha 3, Arpita 1. Okay? Arpita went wrong. And even Gangotri went wrong. It is first option, HCl. HCl is the right answer. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, third option is the right answer. Suguna Guna answered first. And who is under Suguna Guna? Third option is the right answer. On the first who answered third as the first answer is Suguna Guna. Who is she? Even Arpita answered correctly. Varsha. Aishwarya answered correctly. Priyanka went wrong. Arpita went wrong. Varsha went wrong. Gangotri answered correctly, but before to Gangotri, Suguna Guna. Who is she? She answered first. Third option is the right answer. Okay, Sureka. Sureka 10th D. Very good, Sureka. Now you open your account, score account. Sureka got 1 mark this time. Very good, Sureka. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Again, Tejashwini answered first. Fourth option is the right answer. Tejashwini, Priyanka, Kirti, Varalakshmi. Arpita went wrong. Varsha, Shubha, Darshan, Nandita. Again, Arpita answered fourth option correctly. Revati and Sureka, Prashant, Manasa. Everyone answered correctly. Now, shall I continue after me reaching Kolar? Now everybody leaving the school. Shall I leave? Shall I end and shall I continue after 4:30? Because the school has wind. And it is about to rain. Okay? Shall I end up now? Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just stop this and I'll activate same session when I reach home. Okay? Okay, thank you one and all. I'll continue the session after me reaching the home. Okay, thank you. And also this time, many good answers. Everybody tried to answer perfectly. Very good responses. Okay. So see you all soon, very soon when I reach my home. Thank you.